Hi, I'm Chad Creeden, General Manager here at Marco Roofing. Here at Marco Roofing, we're primarily a residential roofing contractor. We specialize in repairs, re-roofs, and new construction. We also do seamless gutters and downspouts. Our slogan above our back door where our roofers come in says only the best roofers work here. I believe that saying, in conjunction with the average tenure of our roofer being with us for 15 to 20 years, says it all. We try to instill ownership and pride within our employees. We want to make sure that they are proud of what they are giving to you as a product. From the design to the follow-through to the follow-up, we want to ensure that everything is up to our standards. When you phone into Marco Roofing, we want to make sure that you have a personal experience. No portal to enter your name and number, an actual person that's taking your information, writing down your needs, and getting you towards a direction to solve those. At Marco Roofing, it's not abnormal for us to get follow-up emails from our customers, letting us know how pleasurable and enjoyable it was the experience to deal with our roofers. Not only their services they provided, but just how pleasant they were to deal with. What gives me great pride is being able to drive by the roofs that we've done in the past, knowing that they're still here and that they will be here for many years to come. When you're ready for Marco Roofing to help you with your needs, give us a call. I look forward to meeting with you.